Nikon D810 review. The replacement for the D800 and D800E promises to deliver even more detailed. Teach reader verdict. Nikon says that the D810 produced the best image quality of any DSLR in its history, and we can't wait to put that claim to the test. Pros: high pixel count, no anti-aliasing filter for better detail resolution, 5 fps shootings at full resolution. Cons: hug file sizes, no Wi-Fi built in, mirror interface be more of an issue. New: the Nikon D810 has been a firm favorite among both enthusiasts and professional photographers since its launch, but has now been replaced by the brilliant D850. The D810 is still a very well-rounded full-frame DSLR and will now be better value than ever. But if you want the best, go for the D850. You won't regret it. Nikon's D800 and D800E caused great excitement when they were first announced in February 2012, largely because of their groundbreaking 36 million pixel accounts. These two full-frame DSLR cameras are identical, apart from the fact that the D800E's sensor has a weaker anti-aliasing and AA or optical low-pass filter (OLPF) to enable it to deliver sharper details straight from the camera. Thanks to their impressive detail resolution, the two cameras quickly went to the top of the wish list for many professional and authentic photographers, especially those looking for a comparatively lightweight camera for landscape, wildlife, or macro photography. They have remained firm favorites ever since, setting the bar for resolution by which other cameras are judged. Now, the replacement for these two cameras has been announced in the form of the 36.3 MP Nikon D810, one camera without an anti-aliasing filter to replace both models. Interestingly, we have been told that while the D800E was widely reported as having no AA filter, the filter over the sensor did actually have some anti-aliasing effects, and this has now been completely removed from the D810's filter. This should enable the new camera to record even more detail than before, and Nikon is claiming that the Nikon D810 produces the highest image quality in Nikon's history. Omitting the AA filter brings increased risk of malprinting in image, but it hasn't been found to be a major issue for D800E users. Features: full frame CMOS sensor 36.3 MP, 3.2-inch screen, 1229 dots, 1080p video capture. Given the high pixel count of the Nikon D800, it's no surprise that the Nikon D810 has the same number, but we are told that it uses a newly designed sensor, which usually means improved noise control. It has also been coupled with Nikon's Speed 4 processing engine instead of the Speed 3 engine of the D800, and this too should be good news for image quality.